Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I have my friend here, Kelvin,
Hey
and
guys.
I will be giving him a wee makeover, and the look that I'm gonna go for is a look that I normally would put on myself when I go out, but he wants it to be a bit heavier.
Yeah,
because he's slutty.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so
let's do it.
yeah, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal concealer.
Second, but you have to like. So I'm gonna use this in like.
Oh really?
Yeah.
It's fine. I'll just put it in the description.
Oh, okay. No moisturizer. You need to put moisturizer
I thought
first.
you've done it.
No, I have to do it again.
Oh my god. Okay.
Don't fall asleep at the wheel. We've got a million miles ahead of us. Miles ahead of us. All that we need is a road awakening to know we're good enough.
Like a new person.
Know we're good enough.
Does it look dry?
Cakey? Not yet.
Oh, I don't want to be cakey. I want to be flawless.
Revlon Color Stay. It's in the shade 180 Sand Beige.
Never let you go. Never let me down.
Oh my god, it's really pale. Oh well, but bronzer. Once we bronze, it'll be fine. We need contour as well.
Make me look like Zac Efron.
And
Oh my god, it looks so good.
okay, and now I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me powder just to set it. I don't know what it does, but yeah, just make it look even more flawless. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Colour Pop in the shade. I don't know French, but it's from the Gen Colour Pop collection.
Ahead of us. All that we need.
This one, also Colour Pop in the colour Elixir. And then I'm just gonna put it on the outer edge.
Wow.
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so pale.
It's like
Okay, close your
wow.
eyes. Don't worry, you still got eyeliner and shit to do.
Don't you give up, na, na, na. I won't give up, na, na, na.
It's darker red, by Colour Pop as well.
Don't you give up, na, na, na. I won't give up, na, na, na. Let me love
Close your eyes. Yeah, oh, beautiful.
I can't see anything. Oh my god. So
And I'm gonna take a darker brown from the Naked palette. This one here in Dark Horse.
I want sexy smoky eyes.
It is sexy smoky. Close.
It's like red. It's like,
Yeah, I haven't finished.
Let me love you. Let me love
Wait, I'm just gonna go back with the red colour that I was using before. Okay, look out, just gonna add it under your eyes. I'm gonna dab a bit of gold from Colour Pop, also from Gen's makeup collection.
Everybody gets tired sometimes.
Can you have a look? Close your eyes. Oh yeah. Okay. Eyebrows.
So I love thick and bold eyebrows. So
With my eyebrows.
wait and see.
This. Your eyebrows. I'm going to conceal some of his eyebrows first.
Are they
A little bit
even?
sharper.
They're not even. What have you done?
No, it's cause wait.
How we grow. I wanna lay with you till I'm old. And I wanna lay with you till I'm old. And if you feel you're sinking,
It's too low.
water's for you.
Okay. Looks good.
Different places, I will still be patient with you. And I hope you know I won't let go.
Not done yet.
I think your contour is funny. You don't know how to contour. No one contour like this.
Wait, it's not done yet. Just wait.
Thinner, thinner.
Right, hang on, I need to brush it out.
And I hope someone gonna take me home. Somewhere I can rest my soul.
Oh.
I need to know.
You look good,
I want you to know.
don't you think?
I won't let go.
I'm gonna use this MAC blush called Melba.
I won't let go.
Okay, time to use this.
Scary.
Yeah, look, like that much.
Careful.
Wait, look out, actually.
So kicky. It doesn't look like that.
I know, it
Looks so
it looks
good,
nice on the
man.
camera, eh?
What?
I'm gonna be using this mascara by Heron. Do you do this? Focus, focus, focus.
I'ma try to put you in your worst mood. I'll pay you on cleaner than your junk.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comment box below what you think of this look. And if you want to see for more looks, or if you want him to do my makeup in the next video, let us know. Give us a like.
Big thumbs up.
Yeah, thank you for watching and see you guys soon.
See ya.
Do you like your look?
Yes. Yeah, really good.
Is this what you wanted?
Yes. Oh my god, we should do this more often when we go out.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Get all the boys. Don't put that in. Yeah.